Hi, it's Gary Kayye. We're here at the Alamo E4 AV Tour. It's the last stop of the 2018 tour. We are here in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm here with Patrick Whipkey, who is the Director of Project Management for IMS out of Philadelphia. Tell me why you're down here in Nashville.
So I came down for the USAV group, and then it was nice to have this, tacked on. So it was kind of two reasons to come to Nashville, which you really don't need a reason to come to Nashville anyway, but this is a great show, great town, great venue, so I'm really happy to be here.
Well, you have an option to buy from a lot of different distributors and align yourself with, there's a lot of distributors in the industry. Why Alamo?
We've been with Alamo now for, over 15 years. Their customer service is second to none. I mean, compared to any other distributor in the AV market, Alamo is always there. They're always answering your phone calls. Their service is quick and they're great. I mean, I can't say enough good things to say about them.
Well, that's good, and I didn't have to pay you to say that, right? So tell me a little bit about where you see the changes in the industry. I mean, you're sitting in an interesting place. You're Director of Project Management, meaning you're seeing all different kinds of projects, probably a lot of the stuff I talked about today. Where do you see the big growth areas in the market?
So our big play is corporate, and we're seeing that the whole corporate meeting space changing. It's going from not the traditional conference room to more the open space, the huddle rooms, the touchdown areas, even the cafeterias are turning into meeting spaces. So that whole area is really changing and evolving from a corporate standpoint, from how to conduct meetings, how to do meetings. So we're trying to evolve and bring that to our customers who haven't done that yet, and help them create the change in their workspace.
So for example, a lot of the products that are now wireless is probably helping that out. The fact that things are going to the network is going to help that out. And then also some of the new software products and tools are going to help that out, right?
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, gone are the days of boxes and codecs, and now it's software-based. You can have your laptop and be in a meeting in the cafeteria or in the lobby or wherever. The ad hoc meetings are a lot quicker and easier to do now with the softwares.
And are you finding that you're putting more gear in that needs less install? Or do you see that it needs more install because there's less of it and you're trying to hide it, or where do you see that? So
that's a struggle depending on the room, because I think our end users are saying, oh, well, everything's getting smaller, so you can just stick it in a cabinet. But there's still a lot of complexity to what we do as well. So that's a constant struggle with us. And then, we'll just hide in the ceiling. Well, now the open concept, open ceiling, there's nowhere to hide stuff in the ceilings because you see everything. So that's a constant struggle for us to place gear and manage gear and make everything function the way they want it to, but also keep it looking good.
Yeah, and I think that's one of the reasons why people are here, because you've got some mount manufacturers here with some creative solutions. And of course, the boxes are getting smaller. So if you're a newbie coming in how long have you been in the industry?
I've been in the industry for 10 years now.
So if you're a newbie coming in the industry and you had to point them to one place or one thing they need to do to get educated on the industry or learn what they need to learn to kind of start out in the industry, what would you recommend?
I'd recommend looking at Avixa, going online. There's YouTube videos for all these manufacturers have YouTube channels now. Twitter is a good place to keep up with what's going on. So there's plenty of resources out there. You just got to do the research.
Well, I appreciate it. And plug for your company. What's your website?
IMS Technology Services. We are imsts.com. We actually just have a new revamped website, so come take a look at it.
That's excellent. Thanks. Appreciate it, Patrick. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us. We got a lot more interviews to do, and we're shooting videos on all the products here. Go to raypubs.com/E4 to see it all.